Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to stop seeing TikTok videos you're not interested in. First, open the TikTok app and log into your account if you're not already signed in. When you come across a video you don't want to see, simply press and hold anywhere on the video. A menu will appear. Tap on the option that says not interested. TikTok will immediately start adjusting your feed to show fewer videos like this. You can also give more feedback. For example, choose to stop seeing content from the same creator, videos that use the same sound, or post with a specific hashtag or location. TikTok even lets you mark videos as repetitive, promotional, misleading, or inappropriate. This helps the algorithm filter them out more effectively. If you don't want to give extra details, just tap the X at the top right. TikTok will still remember that you weren't interested in that video. For example, if you don't like a specific creator, press and hold their video. Choose not interested, select creator, and then submit. From now on, TikTok will reduce similar content in your feed. And that's how you can stop seeing TikTok videos you're not interested in. Use the not interested button whenever you see content you don't like, and your feed will get better over time. If this was helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick guides.